Never throw away a used dish sponge. It can be like gold for your plants. This simple trick helps flowers retain moisture longer, grow faster, and stay lush and beautiful for a long time. Don't throw used sponges in the trash because they can be incredibly useful for plant care. Sponges store water extremely well, helping the soil stay properly moist and protecting roots from drying out, especially during warm days. First, prepare a larger bowl and pour water into it. Add a few drops of dish soap to help thoroughly clean the sponges from dirt and grease residue. Then place the sponges in the water and leave them for a moment to soak well. After that, squeeze them thoroughly and cut them into smaller pieces. Prepare another bowl, add the cut sponges, mix in some soil, and combine everything very well. Next, prepare a plastic flower pot or container with holes at the bottom. Place a few sponge pieces at the very bottom so they can retain moisture and support the plant roots. Only then add your favorite flowers or seedlings and gently cover them with the prepared mixture. Finally, water everything lightly. Thanks to this, your plants become stronger, greener, and full of beautiful flowers. These simple sponges can help your plants grow better and keep moisture in the pot much longer. Add 1 tablet to water and use it to water your geraniums. Their blooming will become incredibly abundant, with deeper and more intense colors than ever before. This 1 tablet will restore their vitality and health, supporting their rapid growth. Geraniums need the right ingredients to stimulate intense blooming. So, take 1 tablet, break it into smaller pieces, and place it in a bowl. I'll reveal what this ingredient is shortly. Prepare a larger container and add about 10 fluid ounces of water. Drop the crushed powder in, then mix everything until you get a uniform solution. Now, prepare an empty spray bottle, remove the lid, and pour the mixture into the bottle. Close it tightly, shake well, and you now have a natural spray fertilizer. Simply spray your geraniums with this solution, and after a short time, you'll notice the plants becoming greener, healthier, and full of flowers. They will start producing new buds, and their leaves will become more intense, helping the geraniums regain their natural beauty and bloom like never before. The ingredient is aspirin. Aspirin improves plant health by boosting their resistance to diseases and stress, leading to more intense blooming and a healthier appearance. Thanks to it, the plants become stronger and more resilient to unfavorable conditions. This is the best way to store geraniums until spring. With this method, you'll enjoy beautiful flowers next year. Before the frost, dig up the geraniums from the garden or remove them from their pots. Shake off the excess soil from the roots. Remove all faded flowers and any new buds, as the geranium needs to focus its energy on surviving the winter rather than blooming. Also, remove any dried or diseased leaves. Next, prepare a paper bag and place the geranium inside, ensuring the entire plant fits inside, with only the roots sticking out. Tie the bag with string, but not too tightly. You can store the geraniums in a place where the temperature is between a few and around 10 degrees Celsius, such as a cellar or a cool cupboard. Make sure the bag is not exposed to direct sunlight. The bag can either hang or sit on a shelf. The important thing is that it's paper. And even if all the leaves drop, don't worry. This is normal. In spring, the plant will sprout new leaves, and once planted in the ground, it will revive even faster. Give this to your flowers, and even those scorched by the sun will revive. It's a supplement you can make at home, and it helps all weakened plants. If the leaves of your plants are sunburned or dried out, you can help your plant recover. All you need are supplements that you might already have in your medicine cabinet. Folic acid helps plants maintain healthy metabolism and DNA. Folic acid is also known as vitamin B9. It stimulates growth and accelerates flowering. Glycine is an amino acid that is a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Thanks to glycine, the process of photosynthesis proceeds correctly, resulting in healthy, greener leaves. Take 1 tablet of folic acid and 1 tablet of glycine. Crush them in a mortar and pestle as finely as possible. Transfer the crushed tablets into a container of water. Mix well until they are completely dissolved. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and use it to spray the leaves of the plants, as well as to water them regularly. You will quickly notice an improvement. The plants will revive, become lush and green, and begin to bloom beautifully. This spoonful will make your geraniums grow like crazy. Today, I'll share a secret you'll thank me for. The volume of your flowers will significantly increase, thanks to 2 ingredients. Their combination provides the flowers with all the vitamins and minerals they need to bloom. Let me show you what to do. First, prepare a 5-liter jug of water. Now, it's time for the main ingredient of this fertilizer: fresh yeast. Yeast is a source of amino acids essential for the synthesis of proteins and enzymes in plants. You'll need 10 grams of it. Measure it out using a kitchen scale and then add it to the jug. Next, we need to add a special powder to the water with the yeast. You might be surprised, but this is eggshells. Eggshells are rich in many minerals, such as calcium, which is crucial for the growth of our plants. Here's how to prepare the powder. Rinse and dry the eggshells, then crush them into small pieces, or even better, grind them into a fine powder using a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of this powder to the jug with water and yeast. Mix everything thoroughly. Use this nutrient-rich water to water your geraniums. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. Their color will be more vibrant, and above all, the number of flowers will significantly increase. Simply add them to each pot, and your geraniums will bloom wonderfully. They grow faster and immediately produce many new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vibrant color. For many people, walnut shells are worthless and often end up in the trash. This is a big mistake. I'll show you how to make a flower fertilizer from them. Take about 20 walnuts and remove the shells, as it's the shells we'll use for the mixture. They contain a wealth of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, as well as fiber, amino acids, proteins, and tannins. Place the shells in a pot and cover them with a liter of water. Then, simmer them on low heat with the lid on for 20 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, strain the mixture. Finally, dilute the solution in a 1:2 ratio with water. You can confidently water your flowers with this mixture. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. The color will be more vibrant, and most importantly, the number of flowers will significantly increase. I add this to water and water my geraniums with it. They grow faster and immediately produce lots of new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vivid color. All you need is a large bottle. Pour 1.5 liters of regular water or rainwater into it. Next, you'll need some lager beer. Add a few teaspoons of this liquid gold to the bottle. Use natural or organic beer without additives or preservatives, as these can be harmful. The beverage of the gods contains yeast, sugars, and carbohydrates, which can serve as a quick source of energy for soil microorganisms. Yeast contains potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, exactly what flowering plants like geraniums need. You'll see that this water will further strengthen your geraniums. Remember, geraniums don't like too much water, so water them in moderation. This water with a bit of lager is perfect for geraniums. In a short time, they will reward you with beautiful flowers. Especially during hot weather, mineral-rich water from the liquid gold will be very beneficial for geraniums.